Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emmanuel here, and I'm here with another video on crypto mayors, of course. So crypto mayors, basically, as you can see, after you have done your first verification, if you haven't done your first verification already, kindly watch my previous video of first verification before watching this one. So this video will be covering the entire KYC process, which will actually lead you to connect your Solana address. But before we go dive into the video, of course, kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not, and join our WhatsApp community. Link will be in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, of course. So basically, one of the things that I would advise you to get before continuing with this verification is to download CoinMarketCap, of course, CMC. Download it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store, anywhere, depending on the device that you're using. As you can see it right here. So CoinMarketCap. So then I will now go back. Basically, what I have to do now is click on Solana address. So, and of course, if you haven't joined SparkChain, the link will be in the description of this video. SparkChain is a DePIN project that will be listed on Solana blockchain. It's a very good project, a DePIN, just like Grass, of course. So this is the interface for the verification, and as you can see, they said I have to complete some of these tasks and read this very carefully, of course. Maintaining integrity of our community, ensure rewards are fairly distributed. So verify you generally completed the tasks for which you received the coin. This process includes adding your address for the token distribution. Please, before I continue, please kindly download Phantom if you don't have, or Souffle, and create a Solana wallet address for you, which of course you'll be using to receive the airdrop. So just like the other one, original ICE listed on BNB Smart Chain, Dr. X DRX, which has a very bad reputation even till today, listed on EGLD, that's Metaverse X. So cheating or manipulating tasks will lead to verification failure. So as you can see, you read this, regularly check the verification system and validate your contribution. So after that, you continue. So now you have to copy your verification code. I actually wanted to say this, but this is how you copy your verification code. Let me just show you that in a minute. Before I continue, I will show you how I copy it, and I arrange it in such a way that it's very easy for me to actually complete my verification. So as you can see, this is my Sealsend. So let me just refresh first. Then I'm going to go to this place. Let me just check what's there at the top right there, top right corner. So we have stats, boots, and all that. So that's not where I'm really going to go to. I'm going to go down there to this place down there where it's showing my profile. So once I click on this place, all this page will now pop up. I will now click on the settings. So it's in this setting that you actually see space for your verification code. So you see this right here, copy it, copy the code. So I'm going to show you something. If you have Telegram or WhatsApp installed in your phone, you can basically just send this to yourself. So let me just show you what you have to do now. So as you can see right here, I sent all this to myself when I was verifying my DRX, so it was quite easy for me. The one for crypto mayors is this. So if I just click on this one right here, it will take me to the one for crypto mayors, which is this. This is for Sunwaves, this is for Sealsend. So even if I copy and paste this new one right here, it will match with the one for Sealsend. Let me just click on this. So just send it to yourself and then highlight it. Okay, I think the verification code for Sealsend has actually changed. So I'm just going to do it all over again, just like I did this one. So the verification code for all these airdrops have changed. So what I have to do now is send to myself, and then highlight it as Sealsend. I'll copy the one for Sunwaves too, the exact same way. I'll go back. As you can see, my ICE project are arranged in one place. Following the exact step, I will copy my verification code for Sunwaves. and I'll paste it into my WhatsApp, to my Telegram, send it to myself, and then highlight it as reply Sunwaves. Not Sunwages, Sunwaves. So the last one to complete the verification is Callfluent. So I'm going to go to this place, click on Callfluent, of course. So if you have not joined this project, all links will be in the description of this video to actually complete yours. So you go, it's just the exact same way for these 3 projects. The exact same way you get the verification code. You click on the settings and then you copy the code. So copied, I'll now go back to my Telegram and I'll paste it. Once I paste, I reply as Callfluent. So this is quite easy. So now I have to go back to complete the verification on the website. So I'm back to this page, so I'll understand, agree and understand. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to start with Sunwaves. So I'll go to my Telegram and I'll search for the one for Sunwaves. So as you can see, this is the one for Sunwaves. I'll copy and then I'll paste it in this place right here. So mark step as complete. So once you do that, you mark step as complete and then you paste the next one for Callfluent, and then the last one is for Sealsend. So I'll copy and I'll come back and I'll paste it. So the next one is for, the last one is for Sealsend, of course. So I'm going to look, this is the one for Sealsend. I'm going to copy and then I'll go back and paste it. Mark step as complete. So I will now mark step as complete, and then after that I click on verify. It will take about 15 seconds or so to actually, go through the data to confirm if what I supply to them, the usernames and the entries there, matches up. So I would advise you use the same username. If you don't register for this project, of course all links are in the description. So I've actually passed that verification. Tap to end verification pass. So I will continue. This project actually has long range of verifications. So alright, so the next step now is for me to verify my Twitter account. So basically what I have to do now is copy this post right here, click on this place and copy. Then I will now go to my X account right here and then I'll post it right there. So that's just basically what this is about. You copy it and then I'll just click on add post, of course. So I'll just basically paste. So that's just it, and I'll post. Then after I post, okay, so I'll click on the post and I'll click on this place and I will now copy the link. So I've copied the link. I'm going to go back and I'll paste the link here. I'll mark step as complete, follow on next. I'm already following them, so I'll come back, mark step as complete as well. So I'll wait a little and then click on verify. It will take about 15 seconds rather, thereabout. Then after it loads up, they are going to verify it and they will take it to the next step. Okay, so I'll try to make this video as short as possible, and that's basically what I'm trying to do. And but ICE project, the verifications are very lengthy, so try to watch this video to the very end so that you don't miss out on anything. And of course you see the errors that perhaps I might make, I don't know, but ICE project verifications are always alike. So I'm using the knowledge of the previous one. So I've already passed the X verification, so I'm going to continue to the next step. So I don't know why they are continuing to do this thing, so I have to go back to crypto menus and click on the Solana address again, tap on it, and I will still have to continue. Okay, so I'll start. So the next thing is for me to enter my Telegram username. So I'm going to go to my Telegram and then copy my username. If you don't know how to do that, okay, so just see how I'm going to do it. Click on this place right here. So once you click here, you go to this place. Once you go there, click on view my profile. So as you can see, if you view profile, basically you tap on this, that's my username. See, as easy as that. So I'll paste it and I'll click mark step as complete. Join Telegram, I'll click on that place also, and then it'll take me, I'm already a member of their Telegram community, so I'll mark step as complete. So I'll verify. I know of course the link will still break because it's having a couple of issues. If you're not seeing that Solana address on your Telegram, please kindly update your CryptoMails app. Kindly update your CryptoMails app. Like I said, update. Okay, so I've passed that one. So token distribution address right here is the last step. So I'm going to go to Phantom Wallet, and this is where I copy my wallet address. Basically, I'll copy my Solana wallet address from my Phantom. So once you go to Phantom, basically what you have to do now is click on receive. Click on receive. Once you click on receive, this is where your Solana address is. Copy it and then go back to the app and paste it here. So that's just it, and click on continue. So congratulations, you have completed all steps and set for your wallet for token distribution. So that's just it, I think. Okay, so I'm going to close and go back. And once you close, of course, you must ensure that that Solana address that you pasted here appears on your dashboard on the app. So let's just wait for it to load up, and after it does, I'm going to show you. So as you can see, mine is appearing right here. If you want to, if you made a mistake, you can just basically tap on it and you can change it as well. So you can just change it if you want to. So the listing date, I assume it's very close by. It should be either March or early April. So that will be probably when they will be listing, either March, because ICE usually does their verification most times a month. Within a month, maybe within 30 days, they are going to be listing after their first verification and all that. So that's just it for this video. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp community, and if you're having any issue, you can drop a comment in the comment below, or you can personally join our WhatsApp community and contact me, the admin, and I will make sure, or I will ensure that your problem is rectified, hopefully. So that's just it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.